Have you ever wondered exactly how to make an affirmation card? We hear it all the time, but no one tells us exactly how to do it. And therefore, if you're like me, you just don't do it and you just go on to the next book, the next exercise. Well, I'm telling you, the affirmation card is extremely important. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I'm talking even how to laminate the son of a gun. And we're going to do that right now. Let's go. What's happening, people? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make an affirmation card. It's going to be a shorter video than usual because it's not really that hard. But I have to say, what's important about the affirmation card is, one, you are writing something down. It shows the brain that, hey, this is very important right here. This is very important. I am taking this seriously. Speaking of that, number two is now we're showing God that we're serious about our intention. We desire this whatever, and we're grateful for it. As you'll see, I'm gonna put that on there. We are making a serious move towards our goal, towards whatever it is that we want. Another thing is, if you've seen my videos or anyone else's videos, you understand the importance of the subconscious mind. That means we start autopiloting towards desires, negative things, just based off what our subconscious tells us. So if we grew up thinking money was bad, well, subconsciously we're going to reject. That's Roswell. We're going to reject money, okay? If we grew up with, unfortunately, like bad parents, we're gonna attract bad relationships. It's just how the subconscious works. We go on autopilot. But it's people like you and I. Yeah, I'm looking at you. I'm telling you, we can change this. Doing the affirmation card is extremely important. I'm what's called an ENFP through Myers-Briggs, so me actually sitting down and doing something like this is a big deal because it's hard for me I just want to move on to the next thing. But me sitting down and writing down my affirmation list showed the universe that I was very serious about it. And I put it in my wallet, and I want you to do the same thing. Your wallet, your purse, whatever. Anytime you pick out money from there, it's there, okay? This is mine. It looks like crap, but it says, I am so happy and grateful I make $100,000 a year. I'm so happy and grateful my YouTube channel has over 100,000 subscribers. I am so happy and grateful that I am abundant in all aspects of my life. Thank you. So there's that gratitude. We're gonna put thank you. And every time you pull out money, at the cash register or whatever, you wanna read this. Anytime you reach in your pocket, you can just have it in your pocket. Pull it out and read it. So I know I'm coming at you at a different angle today, a different position. I know how you love me getting you in different positions. Just ignore that and ignore the messiness. That's just how I roll. Okay, very easy. The supplies you're gonna need is an index card. It could be anything, really. If you want a specific size to fit in your purse or your wallet. This was too big for my wallet, so you can see it's got that natural bend in it. It kills Lisa. Seriously, it kills her that it looks so ugly. I can't scissor straight. As wrong as that sounds. Okay, the next thing you're gonna need is single-sided laminating sheets. And there's also double sheets, but for me, it was more difficult for some reason. Difficult as in I couldn't find them. I'm not incompetent. I could use the double-sided, but it doesn't matter. Whatever, I found these at Target. You can get them at Walmart, so you need laminating paper. And besides, it also adds to the value of the card. Just by walking around with an index card, it's gonna get dirty, you're not gonna be able to clean it, and it's gonna get bent and ripped and crap like that. So that's why the lamination has saved this one for so long. All right, so how do we write an affirmation? And excuse my handwriting, I tend to think too fast, and so I write letters before when they're supposed to be there. So I am so happy and grateful. Always start them out this way. If you're pressed for space, you can just put I'm so happy and grateful, colon, dot, and then have the list below. And then in your head, you could just say I'm so happy and grateful. I'm so happy and grateful now that I am a millionaire. Hope I spelled that right. And I put an exclamation point because I'm really serious about it. The next one is I am so happy and grateful that I am now deeply in love with my soulmate. Now, you see where this is going. You can do whatever affirmation you want. Don't make it, it's not a big deal. What do you really want? What gets your pee-pee hard? What makes you get up in the morning? Put that on this piece of paper. Something that's gonna just really knock your socks off when you read it. You're like, yes, that's what I want in life. That's what I want. Put that on the card. Next thing you're gonna do is there's this little tab right here. Boop, 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 boop. And sound effects are necessary, by the way. And I am not a perfectionist, but so I just put it like that. And then I just drop that SOB right over it. You see I'm putting the clear side on the top. All right, so get the air bubbles out. This is not gonna be mine. So I'm not putting as much care as you should be into it. But you can use like a bookmark, or this is a game table that I use for board gaming to kind of swipe it out. Yeah, you know what to do. So we're gonna cut this out and make it so pretty. We're gonna make it pretty. Wow, this is like better than my last cut. Maybe I should make this my new one. Another thing I like to do, and this is I made this just for an example a couple weeks ago, and then I just put it in my wallet because I actually did like it. But I would like to put stickers on it. I thought that would be really cool. Again, make this as nice as you want. You don't have to do what I'm doing. Now, we are going to rip off the back here. See, got the back. Something I discovered is you can just use the same sheet of paper instead of using a brand new one. I know, aren't I a genius? I'm so disorganized. Yeah, and so I just, whoop. So this part is the sticky part. And now we're gonna do the next side. Make the sound effects, peeps. Yeah! Fantastic. God, it's beautiful. Okay, now we cut this bad boy out. You wanna cut it out a little ways out, because if you don't do that, think about it, the lamination doesn't have a place to stick to the other piece of lamination, so now you just have it stuck to the card. That's what I've discovered. And then you can kind of round out the edges, kind of like you see I go whoop, and it makes it less sharp, because I'm a wuss. I don't want those paper cuts, lamination cuts. Jesus, that sounds freaking terrible, doesn't it? But see how easy this is? And you get, you'll probably get like 17 sheets with your lamination paper. And so you can change this out as much as you want. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh. And I'm telling you, you put stickers on this bad boy, it's not only a great conversation piece and it's gonna make you sound like a psychopath, which is awesome, right? No. Putting stickers on it really customizes it, makes you excited about it. And you know, when it gets worn out, you're excited to do another one. Make it yours, you know, really customize it and show that you're serious about these affirmations and that you mean them. I've been really looking forward to making this video for you. And if you want to learn more about the law of attraction, spirituality, and self-development, you got to join the Valentine family, my friend. Become a spiritual warrior by subscribing down below. You won't regret it. Well, maybe you will if you don't like humor and nonsense, but if you like that stuff and you love if you love the J-Man, Jesus, anyone, well, no, if you love Jesus, if you love being one with the universe and learning how to manifest what you want, you need to subscribe. I really appreciate you guys. Go make your affirmation card. You will not regret it. I love you all. Have a good one.